Hello, this is not. There we go. When it's not a video of Real Steel Haws, as you can tell by the name of it. So it's 9 o'clock where I am right now. So I'm gonna film a little video. Okay. Time to meet the controller of God. I mean Zeus. I don't mean God in any way. I mean Zeus. I meant Zeus. I am so sorry if I offended anybody. Start a new game. Lightning!
Dropped out of college and got a job as a bike courier.
Ooh, Spider-Man.
Just to piss off my parents. I was someone you'd never notice. Just a guy delivering packages to folks you'd never know. And then one day,
What?
a package found me. Thousands died. 5 square blocks, smashed into rubble. And at the center was me. Alive.
I believe I'm alive.
Back then, Empire City was in quarantine. It had gone to hell. Other people with power started showing up. It was my job to sort through it all. Find out who had given me the package and why. Hell, even my best friend turned his back on me to try to get powers of his own. In the end, I found the man responsible. Kessler. He explained everything through a vision of the future. A beast is coming. A monster only I can defeat, provided that I am strong and ready to face him. A month later, I met Lucy Quill. She somehow knew all about the beast. In fact, she had come to help me prepare. Claimed her friend Dr. Wolf had worked on the Racer prototype, and that he could amplify my power.
So, his fault.
All I had to do was go with her down to New Ray. I need those powers. The beast is coming. And I will be ready.
Man, I tell you, Cole, that Agent Quo, she don't mess around, huh? First bullet out of town, chick's got some connections.
It's gonna be a short-term visit, man. We're just gonna get in. I'm gonna get some new powers. Know where to come out.
Oh, man, you deserve to relax. We're going to New Marais.
Hey, I need to be back here and ready when she shows up.
Not me, Cole. You will be ready when you're done working with Dr. Wolf.
Work? Easy, Quo. When we get there, we're gonna be about the 3 B's. That's beer, booze, and mechanical bullets.
Gentlemen,
Isn't that the 3B? Isn't that 2 B's and an NB?
on Hater.
NB. Envy the NB. What is going on? I got this. I think I do. I've never played this game before. Uh-oh.
McGrath, we had a deal. This boat is leaving.
Relax. I got time for this.
All down with that boat, eh? Whoops. La
Right here, man.
I'm sorry, I can't think of any good jokes. Getting up.
Cole, get up, man.
Okay, I'll get up. See? Oh no, that guy's helping me get up. Oh no, that guy's Cole. Who I thought it was the other one. The screen's not crooked right now. It's actually that angle. Or I believe it is. Yeah, it is. Now it's fixed. Hi. Die, 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 die. Ah! Jukes. Jukes, 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 Jukes. Hit him in the eye. Hit him in the face. Headshot. Headshot! Hold L1 to aim. Hold L1 to aim. Hold L1 to aim. Hold it. Oh, El Paso, mucho fun tonight. I believe I'm alive. I'm dying. Who designed this? Who designed it so that I would die? That's a big conundrum you got there. See how hard I can nail him in the face. Why can't I friggin' juke him? There it is. I popped a hole in his head. Yay! Puffle. Electricity. Actually, Wonder Woman survived that. Well, I'm sorry. I wage war against Wonder Woman.
Hey, good shot, man. Get back to the boat. Air's breaking up.
Nice work, Garage. That was impressive.
Crystal. Oh.
Come on, man, jump.
See, it started at the end of the game. This is the final boss fight. I'm kidding. It's the beginning. Oh, just R1. Finally, some no-scope action. Yeah. I'm on a boat, right?
The beast who drained me, broken my powers. Felt like the end. I almost wish it was. The beast had just put itself back together. And now Empire City is dead.
Crap.
Our ship ran for it, fleeing south to New Marais. People kept their distance, whether from respect or fear. I don't know. Either way, I was alone. Others kept busy, acting out their routines as if it would make the world right again. But I knew better. I'd been given powers to defeat the beast. I was strong. I was ready. I had fought it everything I had. It wasn't enough. That needed to change. The next day I went to work. I helped Zeke create a device to focus my powers. Hell, he'd do anything to be friends like we used to be. Agent Quo gathered intelligence on the beast. Town after town was lost as it traveled down the coast. She also used her contacts to requisition a smaller boat. New Marais was in lockdown. Wouldn't let anyone in. You were gonna have to sneak in through the swamp.
Alright, I'm recording. I forgot about that.
Better let someone down. Got your ass kicked or straight up failed. But those are the moments that define us. They push you further than you ever thought possible.
Excuse me. Yeah, that was a real sneeze.